Hello, I'm Gary Owen. I'm the president of Owen Insurance Group, and I extend to you a personal invitation if you are a licensed health insurance agent that specializes in Medicare planning, or if you're looking at getting into the Medicare business, then you should definitely RSVP for this event coming up on Wednesday, June 15th in Jacksonville. So, Hampton Inn, Deerwood Park, Jacksonville, Florida, at 9 a.m. to 9:30 is registration and breakfast, and 9:30 a.m. we begin promptly. Whether you're a licensed agent that has experience in Medicare or you're new to the Medicare business, you don't want to miss this. We'll provide you 2 hours of CE at no cost, of course, talking about the Medicare marketplace. And we're going to show you how to supercharge your Medicare business. We'll provide you information about doctor office opportunities, how to obtain free E&O insurance, agent-branded brochures and flyers and websites, and also how to be involved in a nonprofit organization providing you credibility in the Medicare space. So RSVP today at 772-210-1020. And also, we're giving away free $50 gas card at this location and other giveaways as well. So we look forward to seeing you soon. Again, RSVP today at 772-210-1020. And I look forward to seeing you soon.